Good morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight we have a mixed trade. We got beans higher, we've got corn lower, and wheat about unchanged. Outside markets, there supposedly is a Greece deal and an Iran agreement, which is weighing on the dollar and weighing on crude oil prices. A lot of numbers out overnight. First of all, the USDA kept corn ratings steady. They dropped bean ratings 1 percentage point and actually increased spring wheat ratings 1%. 69% of the U.S. corn crop is rated good to excellent. Last year it was 76. 27% of the crop is pollinating, and the 5-year average is 34%. That's not a 166.8 corn yield, but the market's trying to figure out if it is lower, how low is low, and what kind of price does that mean for D's corn. The Illinois ratings dropped, Indiana dropped, Iowa was unchanged, Minnesota went up 1, Missouri went up 1, Nebraska went up 1, and Ohio declined. Ohio is our lowest rating one at 41% good to excellent. Bean ratings dropped 1%, 62% good to excellent versus 71 last year. There's about 1.7 million acres yet to be planted in the beans. That rating does not suggest a 46 U.S. bean yield. Trying to figure out how low that yield might go. We got 65% of the winter wheat harvested. Spring wheat is rated 71% good to excellent. North Dakota was up 2 to 82%. But in that northwest where it's been dry, Washington was down 9 to 29%. We got the NOPA crush tomorrow, 141.5 is expected. Last year was 118.7. May was 148.4. So the crush rate continues to be impressive. As far as the 6 to 8 14-day maps, they all look to be normal to above temps, below normal rain. So initially this is good for the crops, but we don't want to make sure that's a lasting forecast for the rest of the summer. It was interesting that we did see a few people sending around pictures of the December 15 corn chart, suggesting that it's back to a key retracement price level and could suggest a top. So we have to kind of watch and see if we see any funds selling. Funds now over yesterday bought 4,000 beans, 3,000 oil, and 14,000 corn. They're long 84,000 beans. They're long almost 200,000 corn, and still long 29,000 wheat. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.